What is the next step? Step number 6, you can apply now mat form module. Okay. Then mat input module. Okay, because I have to use that Angular material. So first I have to import that. So I can just import that. Okay. I just copy that things from the Angular material website. Okay. I'm not be doing any more different things. Just you have to import that material module in there. Also that mat form field I have to import first. So the important I have to mention that export key as well, because that material mat form field I have to use in an Angular project. For that, again, I also require that mat input module. I just copy that and import it here. Also mat input module, just import here, and you can export here as well. Now next, I also use a drop down. I use a drop down as well. So for that, import that things. Okay, you can just import it here. Also import that in your import section, same as in export. Button module also I require, so I just imported the button module in our application. And the button module, how to import and export both way. Okay, now I have to import that module, because right now I am not be registered that module in our root module. So you have to register that root module in your app.module.ts file, because right, if you're not registered, then that module will not be accessible. So in your app.module.ts file, you have to register that module as well. That is a material module. Okay, that we created our own module. You can import that material module in your app.module.ts file. Now, next, okay, there is a last step. So according to that, you can implement that Angular material. Just I copy that syntax. I already have. I just check whether any other module is required. Okay, this much module is required. I import it. Now I just copy that estimate. All these things I have to just copy. I'm just copy here. Sorry, and use it in our add employee view file. It's very easy, not difficult. Use container. Again, I'm use Bootstrap. So can we use Bootstrap as well as Angular material? Yes, you can. For that, I'm using these things as well for your understanding. So use Bootstrap class, row class, column class. Basically, it is not a mandatory if you are using Angular material. Okay, but some candidates ask me, so Sumit, can we use Bootstrap as well as Angular material both? So answer is yes. For that purpose, I'll just here display use that container row and column of that Bootstrap class.